I'm here.
Okay, are you ready for your procedure?
Yeah.
You know, once you do this, it can't be reversed.
Yeah.
What if I mess up your body? Will you be mad?
Really mad.
Okay, so lay down over on this doohickey over here. Lay down.
Okay.
Let me strap you in. Okay, prepare for the torture.
I'm not ready.
Okay, whatever. But why are you doing this in the first place?
Because I want to be a tomato.
You want to be a tomato? Okay.
What did you do to me?
Process. It's fine. It's all part of the process.
Okay. Make sure not to mess up. Wait, I can't feel my legs. Oh yeah, I don't got any.
Okay, so we're all good. You see that? Let me pick you up. This will be your casing. Are you ready to see your new body?
Yeah. So far it looks so tiny.
Let me show you
It
in
really
there.
hurts.
Look at you, all nice and snuggly.
Ooh, feels nice. Why?
Let me just sew you up into the process.
Ah, I don't like stitches.
Okay, this big hand holding me makes it much more convenient. So, I'm going to show you the done process. We are all complete. How do you like our transformation?
I love it. I look so beautiful. I look like I was in my 20s now.
How old are you, Fariels?
I'm 84.
Really? Well, let me just climb into that body with you.